Nadaghan kayong birds. Good morning. Muna kang giingon na kahoy nga mura siya puan, bugnay ang bunga. Nadaghan kayong birds oh. Kay daghan kay siya bunga nga kahoy. Daghan kay siya birds. Nanguha na sila sa mga fruits. Bird tree. I called it bird tree na lang kaya I don't know the name of the tree naman. Namupo na sila. Daghan kayo sila oh. Mga may nga bako kabalo sa name. I don't know the name of the birds. It has red eyes. Wow, daghan kayo sila nga birds. Muna ilang source of food. Gana na kahoy. Super kadaghan sa bunga. Super kadaghan sa seeds. So many seeds in every small tiny branch. Small tiny pa. Redundant. Bird feeding every morning and every afternoon. Bird feeding. Pero wala ko naghatag og food. Nalingaw jud sila gawon sa mga kuan. Di ko moduol kay manglupad ba ni sila og moduol ko. Hello. Shout out time again. Shout out to Ding Simple Living, Harris S. Fabia, Grandma Sandy, Jean Simple Life, Jen's Happy Farm, na Teresa M. Corzo, Miss Macy A, Flor Palma TV, Jahan Vlog, ako si Eds, Zero Tactical, Lita TV, Jeannie Days Vlog Shadow, Toxman Shots, Sevilla Farm Vlogs 2, Zero Tactical, Analos Kitchen and Simple Life, Jen Cute Gaming, Annabelle Atwood, Freeman Shibuya, Lucky, Atilin Cats, Forax the Great, Simaris Sakura, Isabel Lee Calves, Bing Dogs AVD, Close Vlog, Lady Sidiku, Indaiyat Mukbang, Grace Pasol Vlog, Ashima's Hub, Anik Bukit, Camigin Island Kitchen, Trip ni Eve, Al's TV, Jibel's Desire, 4K Creator, K10 Machine Gun Warrior, Kang Mall A, Ars Group Tiki I, All Recipe Food. Thank you so much for watching my Edmark video. Isa'y piso. Piso sa among silingan. Little chick. For my chocolate cake ganache birthday cake commenter. Excellent tracker. Vivian Castillo. Yulinum. Underwater World Philippine Sea. Ako si Eds. Tokman Shots. Christian 2.0 Group 3 Tisu Japan TV Joe Are Jean Simple Life. I am Martinez, Inday Iyat Mukbang. Si Marisa Sakura, John Kent Vlog, Sophia's Timeline, and Tumada. Isabel Lee Calves, Famcan Mendoza, Josh Bach Moto Vlog, Ngan Licorio, Mari Bells Vlog, Share Real, Atilian, Flor Palma TV, Family Food Point, Live and Love the Garden, Kumari Yelineni, Donix and Vlog, Lean SG Life, Azeneth Tenorio, Annabelle Atwood, Eternal Melodia, Photo Film Design Music, Alin Vlogs. Thank you so much. Viewers on my Mango Float video. Basics Vlog USA. Ulinum, Lika Craft, Excellent Tracker, Hercules Vernilis, Sayanis Kitchen, How Liverpool, Isabel Lee Calves, Cole Joycey Channel, Live and Love the Garden, Komari Yelineni, Cats, Dings Simple Living, Simply Blue, OK ESMR, D Dogs Creations, Vivian Castillo, Brosal Vlogs, Famcan Mendoza, Katie Scarlett, Akel's Life in USA, Ding Simple Living. Hi friends, Atelin, Indayat Mukbang, Allen Syria, ako si Eds, my super chatter, Aki Istoy in USA, Trending Genavi, Underwater World Philippine Sea, Penguin Magdaleta, Cheris Dishes, BC Boy Roma, Agjes Vlog, si Marie Sakura, Hazy Birth Nation Vlogs, Forax the Great, Ate Christine, Photo, Film, Design, Music, Yani Bholana Life, Joy Cutify Vlog, Simply Regine Official, My Sweet Life, My Sweet Little Garden, BMC Telecom BD, I am Martinez, Aero Vlogs, Tiny0214 Celestino, Dominic Atwood, Jennifer's Lifestyle Corner, Alden Vlogs, Annie Sipcon, Mel Vian, Joe Ari, All Recipe Food, Cherry Rama Family, Go Green with Giote, Kambal Nili, Jean Simple Life, Annabelle Atwood, Jushbak Moto Vlog, Bayaning OFW in Cyprus, Helena Quijano, Smart Kitchen Recipes, Tiny0214 Celestino, Nay Merlinda or Nay Merlinda, LRB Slim Bibo, GC OK, Adiba Channel, Flor Palma TV, Rizal Safni TV. Thank you so much. Shout out to my viewers of Holy Name University Medical Center, Eternal Melodia, Thoi Mien Thai, The Saldanhas Blog, Annabelle Atwood, Christian 2.0, Okong Studio, Penguin Magdaleta, Rick Phil Life, Live and Love the Garden, Kumari Yelineni, Vern's Day, Annabelle Atwood. Subscribe Beauty, Annabelle Atwood. Check her channel, very supportive friend. Go Green with Jyoti, Bow Adventures, Indites, MRV Max, Mommy Levy and Fam, Moha Vlog, It's Me Soy. Check nyo rin ang channel ni It's Me Soy, maraming beautiful songs. Nate's Garden, Tiso Japan TV, Ding's Simple Living, Grace Pasol Vlog, si Marie Sasakuro, Lady Sidiko Sis, Friend Lady Sidiko, Jasmine L, Maribel Gabatino, MT Bao Vlog, Ananda Shiel, Sejong TV Ni, Rich alias Big Time, Pinoy Family in California, Alden Vlogs, Jennifer's Lifestyle Corner, Inda Iyat Mukbang, Jennifer's Lifestyle Corner. Thank you so much for the great Alds TV, Police Dance World, Halima Italia, Flor Palma TV, BMC Telecom BD, Dura Pakatang, also known as M Season Vlog, Excellent Tracker, ARS Group TKI. Thank you so much. Please visit their channel. They are very supportive friends. And also for my Korean subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you also to my last premiere attendees, Alden Vlogs, Dora Pakatang, M Season Vlog 2, Vince, Camiguin Island Kusina, Alds TV, ako si Marivic, Vernes Moments, Mars Cabana, Maribel Gabatino, Penguin Magdaleta, M Kibao Vlog, Charles M, Pulai Channel, A Simple Film Family, Dais Mix Multan from Pakistan, Forax the Great, Kambal Nuli, Tagatambay ni Joshua, Rosemary Feda, Flor Palma TV. Thank you so much for attending my Holy Name University Medical Center premiere. God bless you all.